Hello, my darlings. Good evening. Noswaith dda, Alan Wasalan. Well, it's been a while. I've not been back in this studio for a decade or so, but it is so lovely to be back. And so nice to be asked. I just hope I'm not too rusty. Right, so some interesting weather already this week. It's been a warm weekend right across Wales. The peak of those summer temperatures not so far behind us. And then for some of us, a cluster of thunderstorms making quite an impression. Quite the light show in some areas, as you can see. Thank you, Laca and Swansea Bay, for sending this one in. Right across Wales, we've been buffeted by occasional breaks in the weather, quite dramatic scenes, but subsiding quickly. So, in Wales tomorrow, we can expect a typically warm autumn day with lows of 31 Celsius, but then by midday, temperatures reaching a high in Pembrokeshire in the mid-30s in Celsius, and that hot air pushing across South Wales by mid-afternoon. It'll be another hot, sticky night, I'm afraid. Best to keep our shutters closed until the sun goes down. And with those temperature highs unlikely to dip much below the high 20s in Celsius through the week, vulnerable groups are advised to take particular care. Now, there will be some respite with a low pressure system sweeping through, with some lower temperatures and thundery showers likely to persist through to next weekend at least. Coastal areas may be affected, so do keep an eye on local flood advisory alerts. And for those of you who need to commute or work outdoors, the heat health warning remains in place for the rest of this week. The advice is to travel early or travel late if you can. Stay in the shade where possible. Most importantly, stay hydrated. Now, isn't this lovely? The very latest reports from the Rewilding and Reforestation Initiative in Snowdonia continue to show promise, with recorded levels of atmospheric CO2 stabilising at 520 ppm. A lovely bit of good news. And I think we all needed that. It's so wonderful to be back. Let's take care of ourselves and each other. I'll see you soon.